Are you all ready to go trick-or-treating? Can you show me how you twirl with your skirt? Show me how you twirl.
And you twirl like this. Run. Twirl.
Can you say Happy Halloween? Can you say trick or treat? Addie.
Come here, Addie. It's trick or treat.
Can you say trick or treat? Can you say trick or treat? Can you say Happy Halloween? Should we go out? Should we go out and get some candy? Yeah. Are you ready to eat some candy? Say bye-bye.